Hey everyone, this is Tanisha Chaudhary signing in again into my channel and welcome back to my channel. See, we have already understood in the last class that's what exactly DNA is and how transcription, translation and these things were been happening and what exactly nucleotide is. We have to be clear with these two words, what exactly DNA is and what exactly nucleotide is inside the DNA. Histone proteins and everything was being cleared though, by the way. Okay, because the story begins from there. From the nucleotide, or should I say from the DNA itself. Because today what we are going to understand is what exactly RNA is. Excuse me please. Okay, so we are clear with what exactly nucleotide is. So before getting started with what exactly nucleotide are in the DNA, we have to understand what is RNA. What is RNA? RNA is ribonucleic acid. It is a single-stranded DNA, should I say, in other words. Okay. So in this particular thing, there are 4 nucleotides again, A, U, G, C. This is uracil. This is uracil. Instead of thymine, T, this is uracil inside it. Okay, before getting started with the 3 kinds of RNA present in the cell, or should I say, in the cell. Okay, so we have to understand 3, okay, there was a question I was been asking you. I'm sorry for interrupting you. Okay, so there's a question I want you to Google. Just Google it up that what exactly tRNA is. I want you to Google what is tRNA. But and I will be answering it in the mid or maybe in the end of the video, wheresoever I find it better, or should I say I find it comfortable. Okay. Let's understand what are the 3 kinds of RNAs are. First is mRNA, second is tRNA, third one is rRNA. Now the story revolves around this messenger RNA. This messenger RNA is being formed via DNA while transcription is being happening. We are known to it? Okay. So now we will understand what happens in mRNA exactly, that it turns out to be the cell which is cancerous. How come the cell has that ability of happening, or maybe cell division, why that abnormal cell division happens? Why that particular cell has become cancerous? Because of a protein that is being made and which is made by mRNA. Are we clear with that? Now I'll make you understood with this. Via transcription, mRNA is being made. Via mRNA, protein is made. We are clear with this? Yes. Now via protein, this word has to come cancerous cell, oncological things. Oncology is a word that we use for cancer. Wheresoever you find this word written oncology, O-N-C-O-L-N-O-L-G-Y, oncology, L-O-G-Y, I'm sorry. Okay, wheresoever you find this word written oncology, that word is related to cancer. So this cancerous cell has turned out to be the reason for happening. Now we will understand what is happening here. See, if mutation occurs in DNA, that cell turns out to be cancerous. We are clear with this? Now understand one more thing. This mRNA, since it's short-lived, it is not going to live far more or maybe so much into this world, into the cell, I'm sorry. Word itself, yeah, it's right. It's a right word, that yes, in word, but we are understanding in what exactly is happening in cells, so we have to stick to that. There was this time I remember one of my teachers, she asked me, I don't remember properly, but yeah, she asked me that what are we studying, Tanisha? Where exactly this mitochondria thing has been happening? And I had answered, in the plant. In the plant. I was a backbencher. I was so non-notorious kind of a girl. Okay, let's get back here. I was not telling you mitochondria mein ho raha hai, and I was been saying that yes, exactly, this is something happening in plant G. Okay, so mRNA. Okay, so this is, since it's short-lived, so it is not going to be the perfect, or should I say the only reason for cancerous cell. The thing which is far more important to understand is that DNA is more importantly responsible, or mutation in DNA is far more important or responsible for the cancerous cells to happen out there. And this mRNA, we call it factory of proteins. I got to remember one more thing, what mitochondria is. Mitochondria is powerhouse of the cell. So exactly in the similar way, mRNA is the factory of protein. We should be clear with this. This is not some rocket science that we need to understand. Okay, so factory of protein. We are clear with this part. Are we? Yes, we are. Now, one more thing I want you to know about, it's writable. Okay, so one more thing I want you to know about is that mRNA is responsible for vaccines. Vaccines formation, like for example, if I would say any company, Pfizer. Pfizer is a company which made vaccines for different kind of see, Pfizer is a medical company, or should I say medicine company. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Okay, so Pfizer is a company which is, sorry, I don't know how come my throat is so very much hurting. Okay, let's get back here. So Pfizer is responsible for creating medicines these days. Pfizer is a company, I should say. It's a medical company which is responsible for creating medicines and vaccines and different kind of drugs which are in the society already, in the market already. Okay, so this Pfizer created a vaccine in COVID. Understood with what exactly Pfizer is and how it's helping in human well-being. So now let's understand one more thing which I did ask you in the very beginning. If you remember what exactly tRNA is and how come, I will explain it to you, and how come it's helping this protein formation. See, protein is being formed via mRNA and cells are being, okay, let's say this, cells are being formed via protein. We are clear with that? Now what exactly is happening here in the middle? What is happening here? Ribosomes are responsible for this protein synthesis and formation of protein. But this ribosome has two factors working over it. First is tRNA and the other one is rRNA. tRNA is transfer ribonucleic acid and RNA is ribosomal nucleic acid. tRNA is responsible for helping amino acids to take that information from mRNA to ribosomes, and ribosomes are responsible with the with rRNA ribosomal what was it? I just forgot. Oh God, I got blank in the middle. Okay, so tRNA, I was been telling you, this tRNA is responsible for making amino acids, taking the information, amino acids, taking the information to ribosomes, and these ribosomes in rRNA is responsible for making proteins. Are we clear with this? This part is a bit ununderstandable, or maybe a bit hard for you to understand, but let's understand in a very simpler manner now. In a layman language, let's understand. mRNA is responsible for cells to be made. Whether it is cancerous, we are not talking about whether it is cancerous or normal cell. mRNA is responsible for cells. How? mRNA takes the information to tRNA, which via amino acid takes the information to rRNA, which is responsible for ribosomes. Ribosomes takes the information to protein. So protein synthesis happens out at exactly ribosomal nucleic acid. Okay, this is very stupid kind of a thing that I just spoke. I'm sorry. RNA is ribonucleic acid itself. Ribosomal ribonucleic acid. So this was the exact thing that I was being missing or maybe interpreting wrong in the between where I got stuck. Okay, so this is something that, and we are clear with this RNA thing. Are we? Yes, we are. Now I have a homework for you to do. Now just Google it out what exactly benign and malignant tumor is. What exactly benign and malignant tumor is. Because that is going to make you understand what exactly cancerous cell is, because the next topic will be cancer. For the next topic, for the next class, the topic will be cancer. And this is all, and I'm been signing out. But before that, I would like you to thank that you have been loving my videos, I guess, because I cannot see anybody. It doesn't mean that you're going to unlike it, okay? If you're liking it, then do like and share, subscribe, I mean whatever it is, I'm new to it. Yeah, do like, share and subscribe my videos. And if you find it helpful for yourself and could be helpful for somebody who wants to study more about it, then do share it with them as well. Thank you so much, and this is Tanisha.